What is going on? Ah, man, you know, I ain't gonna never complain about summer, man. You feel me? It's hot, okay? Like, this year, 2024, it's hot, bro. It is hot out here. But I'm still not complaining, man. I prefer this because I can actually go outside and do this, you know? I've been an outside person already, but now that I have a motorcycle, it just gives it even more reason to stay outside, you know? When we, you know what I'm saying, when we used to be kids, used to stay out till the sunset, you know, mama had to make you come inside, you know what I'm saying? Back then, you know, mama would use going outside as a punishment. That's how much I used to stay outside. You know, as you get older and stuff like that, you know, you get a little bit more, how you want to say, lazy or whatever. Just going to work, coming back and stuff like that. Real easy to fall into that trap, just sitting on the couch as soon as you get off of work. But motorcycle has given me all the reason, to stay my butt outside. And because it's summer, even though it's hot, you know, I still got the wind flowing through me. You know, it's better than the cold, is what I'm saying. It's better than winter time. And when I get there, eventually I'm gonna find somewhere where it's mostly sunny, rainy. Sunny. I'm about to say rainy. Where it's mostly sunny year round. You know, maybe Florida. A lot of people going to Florida. Well, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna hit up this park I normally go to. This little area, this little park. It's not an extravagant park. Okay, I had to make sure that was green, bro, because the truck be blocking it. Gonna visit this park. I'm gonna show y'all this little view. Yeah, I had to focus on these, man. See roads like this? Yeah, see, look at this. Look. You know what I'm saying? The roads like this, yeah, you can't stay in the right lane. It's this nice little park I want to show y'all with a little sand, got a little sand, stuff like that. It ain't a beach, but it's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. But kind of the topic of today's video, you know, other than me just riding in the little area, a little park, is specifically like talking about like how the motorcycle has given me another release. You know what I'm saying? Another medication of being on the motorcycle, okay? You know, and just to clarify, you know, we're all human. We all got those stresses going on in life. And I'm here to say that this motorcycle, being on the motorcycle, and riding in general, is definitely, you guys should definitely consider it as a release. You know what I'm saying? If you're already, and this is if you're already interested in motorcycles and stuff like that, you know, like if you're too intimidated, you know, take your time, or it's really your decision. At the end of the day, I'm at the park. It's really your decision at the end of the day. But motorcycle, that's the topic of today's video, is it being a release and how it can improve your life in a such way, you know what I'm saying? Other than you having fun, you know, you obviously have fun on it. Somebody left their little, see, those are the drinks we would have at summertime right there. But these things can serve as a great release, man. You know, it's just like how you would take a drive at night, you know what I'm saying? I'm a car guy as well, right? So being on the road, and just driving, going out just to drive is never, that part or that aspect isn't new to me at all. You feel me? I always done that, you know. But motorcycles, you know, it adds to it. You get to feel the wind in you when you go out for drives now, you know what I'm saying? You can ride for, you know, longer distances or whatever. You ain't got to really worry about burning gas that much. As well, it's fun, you know. And it definitely alleviates a lot of the stress in y'all's life. This is a pro to owning a motorcycle. But let me show y'all this spot right quick though. An excellent pro to earn a motorcycle. I mean, it definitely relieves stress, and it could be a perfect outlet for you guys. Now, we got different types of outlets. Yeah, by the way. All right, guys, we got two main outlets that I'm talking about primarily, right? You got outlets. You got an outlet like that needs to be like a physical exertion, right? Based on my experience, you got an outlet where you need to physically exert. You know what I'm saying? Like punch something, throw something. You know, I have that as well. I need to do that a lot, right? But then you have the other kind of stress where it's like kind of just mental, like where you need to take a mental break. And that's where these drives come in. It has been raining. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. And then you have those stresses that just mental, you know, that you just need a mental break. You know, go out, take a walk in the forest, you know, go fishing or go riding, whether that's in a car or motorcycle. So before I had a motorcycle, that is what I did. I would just take drives. I would just go out and drive. Just like I've said plenty of times in my videos, I just go out with really no purpose in the video or whatever. I just go out just to drive, just to clear my head, and just to find that world or that peace. Man, it rained. Good thing I got to see. I put on shoes I don't really care about. You know what I'm saying? Like the dirty forces. But here you go, guys. That guy's fishing. And I need to be a little bit more careful with where I step. I want to see no sinkhole or nothing like that. What's going on, man? Okay. All right. Maybe you didn't hear me. But yeah, that's what I was referring to. You know what I'm saying? It's like, this is the beach. I think this is a beach. You know, I have a body of water. Then you have sand. That's a beach, okay? All that other stuff really don't matter that much. But yeah, essentially, this is what a motorcycle can be, you know what I'm saying? I'm not pressuring any of you guys to get a motorcycle for that sole reason, because motorcycle it's not a simple thing. It's actually a pretty big thing, a pretty big or significant path to go down. So be very sure where you do that. I'm just offering an extra pro. Today's video just giving you a really important pro that's worth noting. You know, can give you something to do, can relieve a lot of stress in your life. It can be your outlet, riding motorcycles. And I'm not talking about zooming down the highways or anything like that at all. You know, I'm talking about zooming down the highways. A lot of guys just like to go really, really fast. It has to be that. But just getting out, once again, getting the wind through you, that could be just enough. Be out all day with it. 5 minutes, go out for an hour and a half too. Take a road trip for all that. And that could really help you. Is that a snake? I don't know if that's a snake. But yeah, it can be that for you. And that's definitely worth mentioning. I ain't leaving my bike for too long though. Gotta watch, man. I don't wanna. What is a sinkhole? Well, I know what it is. You know, it's like a covered opening. No, I'm thinking quicksand. No, that's what I meant earlier. Quicksand. Somebody left a tennis ball. That's what I'm talking about. Quicksand. I know he ain't gonna be catching nothing over here. He was over there. I don't think he'll catch nothing over there, buddy. You gotta go further inland. You know what I'm saying? Some stuff is, you gotta go further inland, pal. What's this, an ornament? The tennis ball? I ain't touching that, man. You know what I'm about to do? See if I can. Ooh! I skipped it. One good time I skipped it. Let's go. It almost hit the tree too. My aim was almost impeccable. But yeah, guys, consider it. See, it's a certain technique. But you gotta, don't worry about that one. Don't worry about that last one. Certain technique, you gotta flick it. That first time was really good. Got a really good one. If I can get 2 flicks, I'm happy. This water is so brown, bro. Oh, let's go. Another one. See, it's all in the technique. It's all in the flick of the wrist. It's all in the flick of the wrist. See, I was just demonstrating right there what not to do. I might be drinking beers. People be chilling out here. There is no shade though. And after getting off of my bike, my body temperature has increased by like 10 degrees. Oh, that one kind of skimmed a little bit. Dun dun. Let's see, probably one more good one. One more uno mas. Uno mas. I just wanted to chug it. Nice. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know how people put that little thing up there, be like, hey, 90% of you guys aren't subscribed. Well, that is the case for me, guys. So if you're enjoying the content, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? If you don't, hey, if you ain't messing with the content, don't worry about it. But y'all messing with me like that, click that subscribe button for me. Leave the video a like too, man. To let that little algorithm know that people enjoying it and to send it to other folks. As well as all my Atlanta riders out there. Hey, if you guys normally ride around Atlanta like downtown and stuff like that, I'll be downtown. You feel me? So if I got any Atlanta riders out there, especially downtown, that y'all be cruising down there like me, hey, let me know. I might try to host some meets in the near future here. So let my boy, all my Atlanta riders, all my downtown Atlanta riders, let me know. And just to send off on a big splash, nah. Bro, I just picked up, that was moist, bro. And to send us off on a good note here, I need it might not be a good note, guys. But you got the point though. Alright, yep. Anyways, you guys have a good one. I will see y'all soon.